Today, we're going to talk about the style guide. It's part of our communication strategy within our strategic marketing playbook. So, where does it fit? You can see right here the communication strategy, the second block, and the style guide's at the bottom. It kind of pulls together a lot of things that you've done both in the brand strategy and communication strategy. So, what is it? We simply call it a document. It's some sort of document, a PDF, PowerPoint, Word, whatever, but it defines, describes, and presents examples of what your brand should look like, it sound like, and feel like, so it's always consistent. And that's really the key point of it. It's mostly used by marketers and agencies, people who create for the brand, so that you're all consistent regardless of who's doing it. It includes logo usage, size, placement, margins, things like that. It can have brand colors in there, fonts in there. It can have photography and image guidelines. Some have all of it and then more. Some go even further to call it a brand guide and have a bunch of brand story. We try to keep it simple, just with the things people need in order to communicate the brand. And then finally, it might also have this personality and tone of voice guidelines, and that would be from your brand strategy. You just pull that over. So here's an example, the logo and then the personality, tone of voice, and you'll see here for CMO-OnLoan, we have examples on how to use the logo, and you can see the colors down at the bottom. Then at the even lower than that, you'll see the fonts that we use, which are Corbel and Calibri, and that's what we use like in PowerPoint presentations or in Word documents, those sorts of things. And then here's an example of the personality and tone of voice. It talks about what we do and how we talk. It has some do's and don'ts. Right below that, again, we did this as part of the brand strategy. And then some photography. We kept it super simple for this example, show people smiling and working together. So that's what you can see. That is our very simple CMO-OnLoan style guide. It could be a lot longer. It could be PDF. This is just an example. So, quick recap. It is part of our communication strategy. It's kind of the last thing that pulls everything together. And it's defining, describing, and presenting examples of what your brand should look, sound, and feel like, so it's always consistent. And as you saw, it includes a variety of things. It could include more, but this is the type of things that we usually add. So that's it. I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.